all through humans, um, we have stress every day. We're dealing with different stressful situation every day. No matter how much we deny, no matter how much we have, we to those hosts delusionals that think like they have perfect lives. That's yes, sometimes there's perfect lives like for a little bit, for a while, but part of humanity is we encounter stress. We encounter stress no matter what. So the goal in our channels is to how to um, reduce stress as much as all cost, right? Reduce stress as much as all cost. Let me just it's getting heavy in my purse. How to reduce the stress is all cost. That's our goal in our little channels. For me, it's been a stressful weeks as um I'm just um I'm just discovering with the stressful days, stressful weeks that although it's very stressful, but I cannot just I cannot just stay still. I cannot stay still because as I wake up early in the morning, I realize that um, I'm still breathing. My oxygen is still 98 or 100% still. So I realized that I'm my life is still rolling. It's like the film. It's like the movie. The regular life still rolls, still rolling each day, and I realized that I must continue to prioritize. I must continue to prioritize to be safe, to uh, obtain the self-esteem, wellness, prioritize physically, mentally, spiritually, because that's just how the way it is. I think that's just how the way it is. It's a crazy thing, but I was I was so sad for a few days. I stayed in bed for 4 days. Honestly, I was so sad with people that my acquaintance, um, my Latina acquaintance that passed away accidentally. But um, I'm just gonna do my best for um, to continue my grieving and at the same time do what I can do, whatever if there's blessings that may come uh, for my friends and prayers for my uh, friends that pass away accidentally, and thank you for the acquaintance, for the wonderful friendship. Never have uh, never treat me badly. That's the best things. I get so sad when something happen, when it doesn't matter what color, what nationality, what race, as long as um, when another people treat me nice. I consider them my friends, and I try. They, they don't stiff foot on me. I try not to stiff foot on anybody. It doesn't matter what color, what nationality, what's the race, whatever. I'm just here to try to be as neutral, as respectful as possible to those who respect me, and to have a good vibes, right? Good vibes. But yeah, it's a sad situation when there's you know people that you um physically have, like, physically have connections. Yes, they become like your mini family. But um I think I realize what I can do is my only power to help is prayers. Prayers for the goodness of the soul, the spirit, and hoping that they can fly high to the best place ever, better than they are in this planet. But yes, and to all of whoever watch my videos, I wish for the blessings and for the best things in our lives. Yes, best things, blessings. May all of us continue to prioritize for the best of our own selves. It doesn't matter what we have to deal with. We cannot stop doing our best, the best things for ourselves, because if we don't do the best things, the bad things is the other side. So we cannot afford to do that, because no, that's not the best way to go. So life is life most of us, life is not the way we want to, but this is how the way we have to deal with each day. So do our best. Do your best, my champs. I pray for all of you. I pray for all of us. May the blessings, yes, I know nobody cheer you. I'm here to cheer. I'm here to cheer for everybody. Prioritize for the best in our lives as always, no matter how suck, no matter how horrible the situation, no matter how